everybody, welcome. So in this video I'll be showing you how to animate things in Blender if you can't find it on Mixamo. So you want to go back to 0, but if there are any animations, just delete keyframes, okay? So there shouldn't be any there. Okay, so what you want to do, so it'd be easier to like pose things, you want to go put this 0 at the bottom bar, this thing right here. And then next what you want to do is you want to select the skeleton of your rig. Then you want to go to this guy where it looks like he's running, viewport display, and in front. So it'll be like in front and you can see it better. Okay, I got this model from Mixamo. You should definitely get more your models from there because it's way easier than modeling and it's less hectic. Okay, let's start. So let's say I want my guy to dance. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to select on that bone and then like move it how you want, and then it will do it exactly how you want it. Okay, so I'm just gonna make a quick animation. You can copy me if you want it. Okay, so and then you want to select both of these arms, then insert keyframes. So it'll be like this. Perfect. Next, what you want to do is you want to add your next thing. So every time you sorry. When you want to move it, like let's say about here, I want him to move his hand up. Okay, you'll put it there, then you put it like this. Okay, and then insert keyframe with the thing you did. So now, if you go back, he'll move his hand, and then you can do this. Move his hand back, down, and put it in. Insert keyframe, and now my guy is waving. So next, if you want to export your animation, yep, that's the animation. You want to press on the file and then export. If you wanted to put in another engine, FBX, for Unity, OBJ, I think for sure. I don't know. Okay, so export it as any of them you need to use. Like at wavefront, blah 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 blah. Okay, so that's how you make animations in Blender. So if you want more like Blender, make sure to like and subscribe, please, because I'm trying to get like like I don't know, 50 subscribers by the end of the year. So yeah. Without further ado, peace.